We are presenting TransitOps, a smart transport operations platform built for the Odoo Hackathon. Transport companies today manage vehicles, drivers, trips, maintenance, and fuel expenses across spreadsheets and phone calls with no single source of truth. TransitOps brings all of that into one live platform. We built it with React, Vite, and Tailwind on the front end, Node.js, Express, and PostgreSQL on the back end, with JWT authentication and full server side validation. Every action here calls a real API and hits a real database. Nothing is mock data. Let me walk through the login page. Since we don't already have an account, we click register. I put my name and if email isn't according to the format, we throw an error. So this shows at is missing in the email. So I'll just create a proper email. And the password must contain at least one uppercase, one special case character, and some numbers. Otherwise, it will show an error. Our website has four roles in it: fleet manager, dispatcher, safety officer, and financial analyst. Each of them has specific roles, and the UI will act according to the role we create. Now I'll create fleet manager. The app is created, and now we will enter the email again to log in. Here is our dashboard, a live snapshot of the fleet, total vehicles, active trips, and recent activity, refreshing automatically. So once we add an vehicle or driver in the website, it automatically gets. It shows a donut chart which has available in shop and on trip. Since all of the vehicles, all of the fleet status is in shop, it shows a full yellow. Uh, Now we go to the vehicles page. We can add a vehicle if we want. Just put a vehicle number and the vehicle name. Let me name it Porsche, and it is a truck. It is going to the north, and its weight is 200, and odometer is 150. Acquisition cost is 1,000 rupees, and its status is on trip. I saved it, so it automatically updates here. We can also delete uh, vehicle if you want. It updates here. And for the drivers, we have them have the license number, category, and the expiry and the contact number. They all have a safety score which is managed by the safety officer. Trips is restricted for the fleet manager, but I'll show you it with the dispatcher role. Maintenance also, we have schedule. If someone wants to schedule the maintenance, uh, we can add a record here, and also the cost the needed for the maintenance, and also we can edit and delete the same we did for the drivers. Fuel and expenses is also restricted for the fleet manager. Reports show the total fleet value, fleet availability, and maintenance spend, and all the bar charts which is visually uh, presentable so that one can see the data easily. They all have the driver safety scores. The total summary of our website is here in the reports. It represents statistical data. Also, if our website is offline, uh, I just turn off my Wi-Fi to show you how it handles through offline. It doesn't crash. Our website shows no internet connection, but still the settings is still available. So we can change the settings even if there is no Wi-Fi. Now I'll just turn it on again. We also use polling for dynamic data, and this settings can can be changed from INR USD and kilometers to miles if you want. And it is so in maintenance you can see the changes. It is changed to $10,000. It is no more rupees now. Now I'll show you the fuel and expenses and trips page from the dispatcher.
To show you how our website is actually role based, I'm going to create an account with the role dispatcher. You can see that I'm a dispatcher. I'll travel to drivers, it is restricted for dispatcher. Trips, it is actually there for dispatcher. Now you can create a trip, add the destination location as Chennai and arrival as Namakkal, and I will select a vehicle which is actually present in our vehicles database, and the driver from the driver database, and the cargo weight, and the total distance we are going to travel, and the expected delivery date. We also set the priority to high and medium. We can also add notes that goods are being sent, and I'll also tell them that handle with care, so that the other side can know what we are carrying. We can cancel if we want, and also delete the trips if you want.